everybody, it's Khristina from Redefine Creative, and I am here with my How to Kill a Kit video. This is my kit release for the month of August. And so for this month, I wanted to challenge myself to play with a new collection because that is something that is a huge struggle for me. So if you've watched me on Facebook Lives or kind of listened to me here on the channel, I talk a lot about how I'm kind of silly when a brand new collection comes that I don't want to dig into it. Like, I'd rather play with my older stash and wait a little bit. So instead, this month for How to Kill a Kit with Style, I am challenging myself to jump right in. So this is from Altenew, and it is a collaboration between Altenew and Pink Fresh Studio called Celebrate, which is celebrating their anniversaries. And so I have taken that, like, collection bundle and added some things to it to kind of finish off the kit. And I want to show you what I have come up with for the month. So, very first thing I have is the 12 by 12 paper pack. And this is from that Celebrate collection. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. And I should have opened him ahead of time. I'm so sorry, you guys. All right, so there are 16 double-sided pattern papers in this collection. I am so sorry, you guys. See, look at me not even being ready. All right, so there is this one called Good Times, which has the pink with, like, the gray floral on it. And then it has just a bigger gray floral on the back. There's this really gorgeous one called Everyday Moments that has the pink flowers and then kind of the corally orangish colored flowers. And then this really amazing vine, like hanging leaves on the back. This one is called Right Now, which is a polka dot, and it's mainly the yellows with a little touch of the green. And then this big, like, watercolored yellow circle on the back. This one is called This Story, which has this really cool floral on it that matches the floral in the stamp set. And then the back has kind of a watercolor look with these white, like, vines and leaves laid over the top. And then this one is called This Day, which has this really awesome, huge floral. And then some gray leaves and things in the background. And then the backside is gray with the white flowers, which I really like as well. This one is called Progress, which has more of the florals that kind of have a watercolor look to them. And then the back is this really gorgeous, kind of almost like a watercolor. It looks kind of like a sunset background. Really subtle kind of mixed media look to it. But this would make a really great background. Then we have this one called Life, which is this huge floral, like, wreath on one side. And then this really large, gorgeous floral on the back. And then we have Always, which has these little, like, vases full of flowers. And then another really cool kind of mixed media look on the back. And then there's a second set of all of those that came with it. And then I have also added a few papers that I feel like coordinate really well. And these are from Heidi Swap in the Storyline Chapters collection. And then this one is from Art Walk. So this one is called Artsy, and it has some of that, like, orangish colored, a bunch of words, and then a mixed media, but I'm kind of planning on using the word side. And then this one is called Sunny Side, which has these really cool painted stripes. Totally match the collection, and then these little yellow suns on the back. And then we have this one called Daily Dose, which is the cut-apart sheet on the front. And then this really great darker pink diagonal stripe on the back, which really matches well with the collection. So I've kind of added in those few papers. And then the bundle also came with, this is the Celebrate Today, let me find it, Stamp and Die. So that big, huge floral, a few little phrases and things, and then the dies that match. And then there's also this one called Celebrate Us. Same thing, that has the stamps that are layered floral, and then the dies that match with the word thankful. And then it also came with the 6x6 paper pad from that same Celebrate collection, as well as the ephemera pack And this has 37 pieces. I'm not going to open it up, but mainly florals and things. Definitely matches the look of both Pink Fresh and Altenew. So we've got that in there. And then a couple of other things that I kind of added into my kit. So this is a Pastel Strokes washi tape from Altenew, and it is like a bunch of like paint stroke lines, but all of the colors in this are totally gorgeous and they match really well with the collection. So I kind of thought that that would be a perfect addition. Then I also have this cool little wood veneer piece. This is one of the new ones from the Redefine Creative shop that I thought might be kind of fun to incorporate into this particular kit. So I have that little wood veneer piece. And then I also pulled in, this is one of the acrylic sets, also from the Redefine Creative shop. And so this is the pink mirror and gold mirror. And it matches like perfectly with this collection, with the pinks and the golds. So I'm really excited to play with that. And then I also picked up this set from 49th and Market, and it's called, like they are rub-ons, it's called Roughly Sewn. And it's 2 sheets, and it's long, like full 12 by 12 length sheets of stitching marks, and they are just rub-ons. And then the second sheet is all of the different shapes with stitches. And so I thought both of those would be kind of a fun, little bit different addition to this particular kit. So I am super excited to play with this kit throughout the month, and I can't wait to show you guys what I come up with, challenging myself to play with something that is brand new in my stash. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.